Ken, Glencoe.
I ain't going up there.
We're off wild camping. Ken was wanting to go and do the Lost Valley, so I had to show him where it is. And what was it you said, Ken? He's changed his mind. I don't know why. It's not hard. Look. So, this is the Three Sisters. 1, 2, 3. And this is the path. See where the people are away down there? Me and Mark and American Brian done it. So you go all the way down the path where the people are. Can you see them? There. And then the trail goes up through the trees. Can we see where the trees are? Yeah, so you go up through the trees and then you go right up and through there. So it's not high.
I don't think it's that bad.
No, it's not.
You're on a proper path. You're not going on this bit, are you? You're going through there.
No, see where the trees are, Ken?
Yeah.
So you go through where the trees are and you go up. But I will be honest, there's bits when you get up and that's just a false summit, and then you've got another bit to go up more. So, but it's nice. We're going up, Ken? Yeah, let's go. Come on. We have a race. Nah, I raced them yesterday.
Well, I'll give you 10p if you run out there.
What is it to say? Red sky at night, shepherd's delight. Look at that. This camera, it looks a lot darker than it is, but it really isn't that dark.
Mine's is the same.
Look.
Oh no, yours is lighter than mine, I think.
It's not dark. Ken's out with his drone. If you can probably hear it buzzing about. Bzzz. It's away up there somewhere. Look. With a shotgun I would shoot the thing. But yeah, he was recording me, so if he gives me that footage, I'll stick it on the video. So if you're watching, Ken, give me the footage. Right. And Chris, he's over there getting the fire going.
I thought you were putting the fire here. I went a bit squint. Are you recording?
So that's where we'll be sitting tonight. Have a nice little fire. But yeah, it's about 9:30. I might just go to my bed early. You know what I'm like? I'm sad. But there's the fire. That's where we'll all be sitting, chilling. So there's the fire going, just a little fire. Got on the beach. Got my down jacket on, I'm getting a bit cold here, you know, it's getting a bit dark. Oh, it's getting a bit chilly. So, sit round the fire, and I've got some boiled eggs. There's Ken, he's got his jacket on as well. Yeah, there, sorry. Some boiled eggs.
They work better inside the jacket.
Yeah.
Put the jacket on, Ken.
Chris is feeling lazy and cold.
I've sometimes got a hoodie over the top of mine as well. What's the thing? Must be.
Night, guys. Time is it, Ken? Is it 11?
Huh?
What time is it?
Drinking time.
You drinking, Ken? Night, guys.
Oh, actually,
Yeah, I could do with a cup of tea.
Huh?
You make me a cup of tea, Ken?
Cup of tea? No.
A cup of tea? No.
Coffee minute, man.
No tea. Morning. Brew time. You can see my view. Lovely. It's sunny. Here's the castle. Lovely clear blue sky. Lovely jubbly. So, gonna get the tea on the go. Nice cup of tea. Might go for a little walk. It's about 8 in the morning.
Just means keeping the water.
I'll get bored after.
You know what I
So,
don't
there's the tea ready, guys. I've made Ken one as well, because Ken's lazy and doesn't want to make his own tea.
got it back, but quite well, and then Mark and Ian and Donald appeared and burnt everything going, as Donald does.
You take the high road and I'll take the low.
Delivery service, that'll be...
It's Scotland before me.
That's a 150 big in delivery.
Alright, begin.
And the tea is £2. Is that too milky enough for you? Or is that okay?
I like my cows past milky. Don't video my mess.
It's like 10 o'clock. Look at the state of his tent. Right? Ken's got the same tent as me, right? But I like to pick fun at Ken, so I'm going to show you what he's done to his tent. Look. He had the tent like one day and he's took it to Dartmoor, right? And he's burnt it, right? But Ken, he's too tight to buy tenacious tape, so he's put a bit of duct tape on it. And then he's ripped it as well. Look, I do not know how you can rip this tent, but he's ripped it. You'll need to sew that, Ken, because it's starting to rip down the way. But my tent is perfect. I've used my tent, I think that must be like, I don't know, 6 times now. Mine's still going.
Still going after it's taken time.
I know, not a lot of many times, only 6, but I think Ken, he's only used his once and he ripped it.
Ah!
Look, he's even got a pillow as well, look.
Best pillow in the world.
Yeah, but I just use a dry bag full of claws.
£6 Naturite pillow.
You sponsored by Nature Hike, Ken?
No.
Huh?
Stuart keeps copying me.
Nature
he bought
Hike.
the same tent, the same
Nature
sleeping
Hike.
bag.
I didn't actually buy the tent, I get given the tent, but whatever. I do have the same sleeping bag. My old cheapo down one.
My God.
Was you warm, Ken?
Yeah.
I was nice and warm.
I've only got the 800, so it's not as warm as yours.
I actually was inside it and zipped it up. I see you're just using it like a quilt.
No, I had it zipped up this morning.
Oh, I was.
Proper, like.
I was kind of cold myself last night, but then see when it got heated up and it was like, and I got the baffle inside zipped, like pulled in, cinched in. Shh, I could actually feel the steam coming out, like,
Yeah.
I had to like release some of it. Shh, ah. But yeah, I think it's, what is it, like 10 o'clock and Ken's still in his bed. Let's just take me back to Dartmoor. Like this is lying in his bed. But yeah, he's got his drone, we're getting the drone out. Probably go back over to the castle and have a look. There's Ken, he's up here for 3 weeks or 2 weeks, whatever it is, I don't know. He's maybe deciding to move up here, aren't you, Ken?
Aye.
He's going to live in a tent. See, he's getting a Scottish accent already. Look.
Aye.
Hey, biggin. Hey.
Aye.
Look at all his gear. It's just, I don't know what he's been doing in there, but he's got it everywhere, look.
Is that your bloody cheese there? Here, on
Where?
the case.
Oh yeah, sorry Ken, yeah. I had that for breakfast. So I think me and Ken are going to go to the castle. And if we don't, I'll go myself.
I'm going again.
Because, Ken, right, he went over last night. He's doing his film, blah, blah, blah.
Buy these.
Shite.
So me and Ken went over yesterday. I'll edit that bit out because of the beep. So yeah, me and Ken went over and his SD card got corrupted. So all the footage that he's done from the castle, because we went all the way around the other side, right into there's like a beach area, which is nice. You could camp over there. I think that might be maybe another video one time we could camp there, couldn't we? Yep. The trash monster. Look at him.
Look at my sexy body.
Are you enjoying your trip, Ken?
Yeah, man. We're just having a tidy up because it was raining last night. We just chucked everything in a tent quick.
My tent's actually tidy, to be honest.
I'm tired. My tent will be lovely in a minute.
Look, I'll show you my tent. Mine's is actually tidy. I didn't bring much kit 'cause I thought we were going to like Glen Nevis, so I've just got my mat and my sleeping bag, and so that's quite tidy for me. Oh yeah, there's Mark turned up.
Right, noisy people down there. There's a helicopter.
There's Mark turned up this morning. 150 miles, he says.
150 miles, man.
Yeah, that's what I think I've done more. So
Crazy. I was like, crazy time I get there. We come home.
but you'll like it over there. You can get right in that castle. Me and Ken's been in, and there's a little beach round the other side
And
as
you
well.
still got in there when the tide
Yeah.
comes up, yeah.
Oh no,
Did it get cut off?
we'll need to go over later.
Yeah. That's nice.
Lunchtime. We've not been over to the castle yet. Mark's putting his tent up. I think Mark's coming over.
Carry man.
I'll have to take a photo of your hairy haggis thing.
You need to cook these.
Is that the camping souvenir?
I'm just going to eat it cold.
What is it? Oh, can you eat that cold?
Haggis.
It's actually quite nice, that cold. Quite good.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
I've got the meatball and pasta one. This is thanks to Pete. Big Pete gave me this. I don't know, maybe about a month ago. Yeah, Big Pete, Mad Dog Bushcraft. So, waiting for Mark to put the tent up, and then we're going to go back over to the loch, the castle. You alright, Ken? Have you got your tin there? Have you got your tin of food? Yeah, Ken's wanting to go over and hunt some haggis, aren't you, Ken?
Aye.
Aye, man.
Aye.
So, I'm going to finish that. Then we'll begin over there. We'll see if we can find some haggis.
English haggis hunter.
So the ground over here's got a lot drier than it was yesterday. It was a lot more wetter. It's drier today, isn't it, Ken? It was a lot more wetter yesterday, wasn't it? It's because we've had some sunshine, I suppose, tomorrow. It's to be nice as well. Yesterday it was a bit rainy. I can't remember if I've done a little bit of footage of it or not. So where do we reckon the haggis will be living, Ken?
I reckon the haggis is in the cellar because it's quite good daylight. They like to hide.
They don't like the sun, do they? Being Scottish.
Sun.
Yeah. They'll be in somewhere dark and dingy. You going the boggy way, Ken?
Came in the boggy way.
So did I, yeah. I want to go back this way for a little... You can go that way. That's the way I went yesterday. Let's go this way, have a look.
Mark said we better hurry up, the tide's coming in.
Yeah, Mark's run
Look,
away.
just there, that's the tide there.
Yeah, I know.
When it come in, it bears this island here. I don't think somehow the tide is coming in yet, Mark.
Mark says we better hurry because it's coming in. Even though I told him, it comes in at 6 at night. So he's running away. That's why he's away halfway over, look.
Yeah, he's over there.
So if you can see it, Mark. Not that deep anyway, is it? We'll just swim back here.
Not deep, look.
Yeah.
We've got a haggis.
Oh yeah, we need to go and cook with Haggis, guys, so we better run.
We've got to get back, cook the haggis, put those off. We've only got about a 20-minute period before it comes down.
Yeah.
Here we are, the great outdoors of Scotland, on the Haggis Trail. It's not often you get this unique opportunity to actually find a haggis out in the daylight. So, here it is.
Hey, biggin, you like that? Oh! Oh, that's a scary looking beast. Do you reckon we should tackle that one?
Leave that one.
I think I'd leave that one, it looks a bit green. So, let's go. What do you suggest, Ken? We should leave it? That'll be that gone now.
If you see haggis, never let it go. So, we've been haggis hunting and we found the haggis. Stuart's already throttled it. Don't worry, it's not going to jump up and attack anyone. Now, I don't really know what I'm doing, being English, so I quickly looked on Google and bought some ingredients. So if any Scottish people are watching and they feel a bit offended by by me
Hey, Jimmy!
not cooking it correctly, then I do apologise, because this is wild camping cooking. So I'll have actually run out of cream because Chris ate all the cream in the chocolate cake competition last night. So my phone battery has died as well, so I can't look at a traditional way to prepare. However, there are 3 Scottish people here, 1 Scottish dog, and not one of them knows how to do this traditional meal done in Scotland. So
Me, I would boil the potatoes and boil the...
So I'm going to boil
That's
potatoes.
a turnip. That's not Neeps and Tatties.
That's a turnip.
That's a turnip there.
Yeah, so
That's swede. That's English swede that you've put.
you can use turnip or swede, I was told. Couldn't find no turnips, but I found a swede. Spring onions, butter, and of course the haggis. So I'm just going to quickly, so don't scare the children, skin and gut the haggis. Yep. So I've skinned and gutted the haggis and prepared it very quickly so we didn't scare any of the little children. And now we're going to put it all together. I might add a bit of salt and pepper, and it's going to take a while, so we'll come back with a nice plate ready for our chief food tester, Mr. Grumpy.
We'll do a zoom in on Mr. Grumpy
Mr.
there. Look,
Grumpy saying
look
help
Grumpy,
me.
Chris, look Grumpy. What you like that biggin?
Mr. Grumpy did a poo in the woods 25 metres away. So for anyone that wants to complain, yes, I agree, you should be at least 100 metres away from camp when you're doing a poo and bury it. So what happens when you bury it is doggies don't come over, roll in the poo and then try and play fetch the blinking stick stinking of some human's bum.
There we go. Fire's going nicely. So, going to get the dinner on the go. So there we go. We gave up on the Coleman stove we've now got the food and the little fire that I've started on the beach next to the castle. But when we leave tomorrow, you wouldn't even know that we had the fire here, honestly. This fire pit was already here, but we will make it look as if nobody was here. Got a zebra, no, we've got all the potatoes and all that in there. Give you a look. So I've just took it off the fire. There we go, we've got everything inside it, look at that, lovely. Stick it back on, let it boil away. It doesn't look like it's completely ready, but yeah. Can't beat this, can you not? It's 30 degrees here. Lovely jubbly. Got a little fire on the beach. We're having haggis and neeps and tatties. Sorry about the noise, that's bloody Ken's drone buzzing away there. So I'm going to see the food. How's it looking? Yep, I'd say that's looking good. Stick it back on the fire and let it go for a bit longer. There we go. Get that back on it there. Back on the fire. We'll come back to that in 5 minutes. So we've got a little fire going on the beach, but Ken being Ken, he doesn't want to use the fire. He wants to use the Coleman, which apparently he says it ran out of gas. But so how old is this haggis?
4 days.
4 days sitting in the car, roasting heat. It does smell good.
If it smells dodgy, it's dodgy, isn't it? It smells alright.
Yeah, it does smell good. What does it smell like? Haggis!
Haggis.
Rabbit haggis!
A rabid haggis!
A rabid haggis!
Your camera?
No.
Don't know, I can't see.
Oh, it's the collar.
Chris is out to help Sandra again.
Yeah.
Yeah, love.
He was trying.
So this.
Yeah.
Chance it again.
So that's the haggis ready, and Ken just says we've got the chief taster here. Chris, he's already done the cake challenge yesterday. Now he's doing the ranky old haggis challenge.
Yes, it's nothing like
But the wind's
showing the lights of what the nation has to offer when you come to.
So we had to do the what we got in here, Stu?
I was going back in.
Neeps and tatties.
We had to do it all together without cream. We didn't have no cream.
Yeah.
No cream, not right.
And we've added a bit of oxo just to, because it's a bit of a stew. We thought, well, we need to add something. So,
Can I ask for another butter to go with
Oh,
it?
the sun's still
oh, you want another butter?
Another butter, yeah. Because we've got all the kit, all the stuff. We even have butter.
Chris wants another
We don't
butter.
advertise.
So the haggis has got to be sitting in your car for 3 days or 4 days,
4 days.
before you eat it.
Matured well.
Yeah, got to mature it
I
in the
think
car.
this is actually the 4th day that we've.
Well, it's 30 degrees today.
What is it?
Should there not be signs up to say they can actually be cut off?
Tell you.
It's only for about half an hour at an hour, right enough. It goes down again. That bit in the middle
day-old
doesn't really get covered, does it, Stuart?
A little bit of that. It's not much.
what's with the brown sauce?
Oh, brown sauce. Brown sauce for everything, isn't it?
Chris is going to.
But they must have went
Okay,
over
there
when
we
it
go.
was
The verdict
like
is.
that.
Right, got a plate.
I'm just going to use that, so I'll just wait till you've all had.
Oh, right then. Okay then. Okay.
What do you think? Does it taste good, Chris?
Oh yeah, thumbs up.
Lovely. Thumbs up.
And enjoy.
Yeah.
And it's all his. All mines. All mines.
Natural ingredients, yes.
All mines.
So it's no need to vindaloo.
Very nice. Yeah, I think we unless you want to go for second course.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Vindaloo next course.
No, yeah, maybe.
The stick to the... Where are you? Get what I mean?
It's getting dark. Can you actually see what you're doing?
No. I just know...
I might have to move back a bit. That
Too much
fast
flames,
switch.
isn't it?
There we go.
So what are they
Oh.
covered in?
Sauce.
Chinese.
Maple syrup.
Yeah.
Grab hold of it. Oh.
You better because he just burnt his hand.
Yeah, because it's hot.
Watch that. Doesn't set fire as well, Mark. Ah, watch
gas
it
and
drip
shit.
on me. Oh.
Cold, Kenneth.
You haven't said much for a while.
You're getting colder and closer and closer. Nah, I know yet. In a bit.
Brilliant. That was you farting on my fire video last night. You look like you're colder tonight.
Oh, right.
It's warmer tonight. Well, it's,
No,
what, it's
it's
about
actually-
9 degrees now. Though.
Yeah.
Quite
It
tired.
was-
We didn't have, we got no wind. Last time we had wind.
Yeah.
Chill factor. Have you ever tried that Newman's barbecue sauce? No. Oh, that's fantastic stuff. Yeah.
Have you ever had Jack Daniel's brown sauce?
No.
Oh, it's a barbecue. It's either brown or barbecue. That's amazing.
A barbecue sauce to do, yeah. It's nice.
That is lovely.
Newman's sticky
You had it,
barbecue
Ken?
sauce.
That makes you hungry though.
Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Could do with some of that.
we got it once. Yeah.
I've got some in my cupboard too. No use in the cupboard, is it?
Oh.
Well, dinner.
Corn.
But it's all mines. All mines.
Yourself.
Come on.
So there we go. What have you had today, Chris? You've had the haggis.
Haggis. Someone ate my chocolate cake last night though.
Ate a big chocolate
Yeah,
cake
I
last
thought about
night.
Chocolate cake and someone had eaten it. I was really hungry as well.
So
Chris, how are you going to get that out of the fire?
they had the
We
haggis.
don't put spoon in.
Chris,
Hey?
do they melt as well?
Yeah.
So he's had the haggis, and then we just had the chops. And Chris,
That's not. That's, you're going to dig that out of the fire?
Yeah, we did that.
Chris says he's still hungry, so he's got 2 tins of beans on the go here, on the fire. He's got some army ration packs. Look, what have you got?
Steak and beans. Steak
What is
and
it?
veg.
Steak and veg, lovely jubbly. That does look good. I had one of them for my lunch earlier. It was the meatball one.
Ah, you in the meatball one?
But that's Chrissy's dinner for tonight. Look, beans straight in the fire.
No problem.
Who needs that pot?
Yeah.
Ben.
Where's your spoon, Chris?
I'll get that in a minute. Bear with me.
Do you like your food, Chris?
Need a knife.
Chris, do you like your food?
I love my food. Where are you? I love my food. Oh, Kez just jumped out of his fucking
I knew he was there. I didn't know he was going to scream in my ear.
Did you?
It was the scream in my ear bit that got me. I was like,
So,
Very tasty.
dinner number 3 for Chris.
What's my pudding then? Oh, the beef stew is a bit longer.
don't mention chocolate pudding.
Have we got any?
No, you ate it all.
My God, I've never camped with somebody that eats so much food than Chris.
I would have
And he's not even fat. Like, he should be so
I would
fat.
have finished off the chocolate cake the other night, but someone ate it. Bastard. Came back after me walking and I eating it.
He should be like 30 stone, but he's not. Look. Oh,
She's to get this. What's that?
There you go. We've got some beans and some steak and veg.
right, there's Big Chris. 3 dinners. He's wanting more. He's going to have another dinner.
I've got no spoon
Getting
left.
any bins out
I'll
of
get Ken's titanium one.
Fuck off, leave it.
Yeah?
No, I've washed it, leave it.
No, I'll use it.
No, I don't want you to use it. You got one there.
I'm not getting many beans. Where's the stew?
I know where I got a spoon.
Did you eat this
In
together?
that bag, it's a big plastic one.
Yeah. Good food. frequent flyer miles you will have. Right?
Just eat out the pot.
And I'm putting it in my plate. I'm being civilised.
This is dinner number 4 for Chris. Is that not the pot that you were using earlier Ken, to wash yourself in?
I just pour it in.
What, you use my cooking pot to shave that off? It'll be washed out afterwards.
There we go, little campfire. It's funny watching Big Chris eating these. How many dinners did they have? I don't know, like 5 dinners.
Yeah, 2 tins of baked beans and two packets.
He likes his dinner, does Chris. So, we're off to bed. Little fire, that should just burn out. I think Mark and Ken staying up, but I'm going to my bed. That boat is still out there, but you can't see, it's darkness. There's the castle, if we can see, but that's in darkness as well, isn't it? I don't think you can see that, but yeah, it's over there. There's a little star. But yeah, off to bed.
Been a beautiful day, this, Stuart.
That's been good, yeah. Nice and hot, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Hot day, nice and, it was like 30 degrees earlier. Super hot.
Weather for Scotland, apparently.
Oh yeah, that's like the one day of summer. So if you weren't out, that's it. You've missed the summer, because it'll rain the whole of summer. But yeah, I'm off to bed. You know, I'm. Everybody knows. Everybody watching that's Scottish knows what summer's like in Scotland. So
we leave them with the campfire in peace.
yeah. I was going to leave, and I said that was the end of my video, but I need to share, right? I'm sitting over there next to Chris, and I'm saying, "You were going to sleep?" And Chris said, "Oh, it was lovely." Blah blah blah, right? And then we see this thing going, and Ken jumps out. He's tensing fire. What have you done, Ken? What have you done?
I wasn't panicking. I was doing that song, Fire. I wasn't panicking.
The door opens. I thought his tent was going on fire, right? So
There's a little bit of mess.
he grabs this, right? Throws it out the door, and
Fire.
there's his tent. Look.
Burger.
Don't use a
Burger.
don't use a squeezy bottle to quickly top up your meths burner while it's lit in the tent, because if you miss the meths burner and get some on your carpet.
Let me see your carpet, Ken.
It's not my carpet.
Let me see your carpet.
No.
Let me see your carpet, Ken. What have you done?
The meth cooker ended up too, Stuart. It's behind you.
Yeah.
Lobbed it out all over the floor.
Lobbed it over. If I had my camera, I would have recorded it. But there's a tip for people: don't use
Top tip, don't use
things like that in your tent.